Hello, fellow pickles. We are playing Far Cry 4. I almost said Primal, but we playing this game because we, out of all the channels, have not played this game yet. So let's get straight into it. Let's go normal. Start offline. Kyrat. AJ, my son. I have but one last wish. Take me back to Lakshmana. You can't skip these cutscenes. I'm very sorry.
We can only accept your status as a U.S. citizen as we have no official records regarding your karate citizenship. Furthermore, I must legally advise you against traveling into Korat. We have no official diplomatic presence in Korat due to the civil unrest.
Oh, look at us. Where are we?
In regards to your intent to bring with
Oh,
you the crew,
there's our bot. Ishwari. I couldn't read the other part. Mr. Monkey! Ah! What was that? Passport. Sorry. What is that? Oh, is that the other guy's passport? Mr. Monkey, you take it. Don't smack the monkey. Who was that? Does he have a golf puck?
What's happening?
Those are cool. I think I know what's gonna happen. Oh no! No! The monkey! No! You must have died. Oh, okay. That's not where to go. You must have got shot in the elbow. I mean, yeah, elbow. No, shoulder. That must be the main guy. I remember seeing him in the actual box.
I distinctly remember saying, stop the bus. Yes, stop the bus. Not shoot the bus. I'm very particular with my words. Stop. Shoot. Stop. Shoot. Do those words sound same?
That it got out of control.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you. What'd you say?
It got out of control.
Got out of control. I hate when things get out of control.
Oh, wow.
Fucking Japanese, you couldn't fucking
Can't
do
believe he
that.
did that. Oh, sorry for language. You stabbed me right in the heart.
Fucking shells.
Hey!
At least there's a silver lining. You didn't completely fuck it up.
Hey!
Boy,
Don't call me a good boy. I'm not a dang dog.
I recognize
This
those
might
eyes.
actually be a part 2. There might actually be a second part to this video.
I'm so sorry about this. This was supposed to be... Well, not this.
Well,
We have
not
a party.
this. You already killed a guy.
But I don't think I know your name. Who is this?
He looks like you.
Is this your plus one?
80 years. I'm probably 50 right now. You'll be dead
Strong silent type.
before you reach.
I'm
Before you reach 51.
embarrassed about this.
I will
was
kill
supposed to be very simple, but you know,
You're my father, but you killed my
for
mom.
you to make it, they just throw their shit at each other. You know. Oh, would you hold this? For
Please
just
no,
a moment, I
no.
want to get a little.
I would stab you with that.
action.
You giving a
Camera,
selfie?
There we are.
That's cool. I wish I had that type of camera.
Awesome.
Wait, I do.
Don't worry
It's
about
on
it.
fire.
This will soon be behind us. We'll be off on a grand adventure. Because I have cleared my calendar for you. You and I. Gonna tear shit up.
Wow.
Should I stay or should I go?
That's cool. I like that. That was a good little cutscene right there. Should I stay or should I go? Whoa.
I must say, Paul, no little
Do I have a
color
plastic bag on my head? Because I look uglier than you.
Change.
You better know how to cook.
No one knew somewhere around here was a dark place with a secret.
You're a dark place. I'm not eating this food if we're at a dinner area. I bet it's a dinner place.
Well, go on, take the bloody bag off his head.
Ah, thank you.
Again, terribly sorry for what happened before.
I knew
This
it was this.
is
How do you have
all I
monkey
have.
heads? Why do you have
So,
monkey
for a
heads?
start, introductions. Jay Gale, our guest of honor. Paul, our very gracious host. The little monkey, whose name I still don't know. And I, of course.
You have monkey heads. He can get over it.
You really don't remember me, do you? Your mother, she never spoke of me, never mentioned me. We'll change all that. Paul, I need cash.
Are you my dad?
How much do you need? All of it. Thank you. Here we go. Right? This with
You're on
a
money?
smile.
Are you Abraham Lincoln before he died?
Let's see.
Or after he died? You look uglier.
Well, I'm not so sure.
Actually, Abraham Lincoln
Now,
was.
your mother,
His beard was really,
she
really good. It was really good.
She knew me.
Probably one of my favorite presidents, actually.
Takes me back.
Okay, I can't put up that voice anymore. I sound half retarded.
She told
I'm
me
sorry. I was trying to put up a voice this entire
women
time.
can do that. They
but-
can tell you they love you. I mean, men.
I'm still continuing this channel, and we're still part of the Fuzzy Pickles.
In hindsight, too much distance has been there. So, when
I was doing a voice
your
the
mother
entire
decided to
time.
flee to the United States with you on her
But I'm
head,
still a Fuzzy Space Pickle.
I couldn't help but blame myself. Then I realized it's not me. No, it was the fucking Golden Path. Those fucking terrorists.
His beard is better than you.
Like dinner.
No,
No
no.
one ever teach you that it's rude to text at the table. So,
His beard is better than your cooking.
I'm with RJ Gale. You'll love this part. Help. A text for help. You don't text for help, you cry for help. So come on, you're gonna cry for help. You're gonna do something, you're gonna do it right. Here we go. Go on. Cry for help. Try for help. Help? Pathetic. No, try for help. Help! You mean it, boy. Help! From your diaphragm! Help! Now we listen.
When was this made? I don't know, it was
terrorists,
they did.
right?
They did.
Now, please,
Aren't you a
stay
terrorist?
right here. Enjoy the crab rangoon. Don't move. I will be right back.
Are you on your
Look,
cell phone?
we need to talk.
Oh, you're on your cell phone. Still the same. Can I? Yeah, take that. Your daddy gave it to you. If my daddy gave me something, I would have kept it. Well, obviously I would have kept it, but okay. The Plurs compound. That doesn't look weird at all. I'm not weirded out one bit. Not at all. Guide to Kyrak.
What the fuck?
Language. But that sounds like the electric chair. That really sounds like the electric chair. I really hope they're not electric chairing that guy. That would be bad. Because the electric chair will absolutely kill a man. Like it's able to kill a man. Handgun ammo, let's go. We need to get down here quick. Oh my goodness. We need to get over here.
No.
Oh, fuck.
Language again.
Actually, let's rewind for a bit because I want to make sure that you know exactly what I want.
Okay, see ya.
Do you know why you are here?
Okay. Ah!
Ajigale. My name is Saban.
A terrorist,
I'm with the Golden Path.
Golden Path.
a good guy.
We're friends. I knew your father. We're here to
What does everyone know my dad?
What about down there?
But it's not that big of a deal.
We need to
Well,
get you out of here
I guess
safely,
he is
no
in this
matter the
game.
cost.
He is to me in real life.
Darpan would
He
understand.
is a big deal to me.
Now stay close.
In actual life, like out of recording, he's a giant deal to me. I love my daddy.
Shit, you know we're here. The door! Quickly!
Does anyone care for how many people play this
with
game?
these doors open, I need you to keep your head down and make a run for the truck. Move as fast as you can. Understand?
Yeah, I got it.
1, 2, 3.
Go! Ah!
Here we go.
Ah! Ah! You. Come on. Oh, wow, that was gruesome. Okay.